Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are interested in cybersecurity, ethical hacking, or penetration testing, then you have probably heard about Kali Linux. But what exactly is Kali Linux? Why is it so popular among ethical hackers? And how can you install it on your system? Stick around because in this video we are diving deep into all of that. Kali Linux is Debian-based Linux distribution, especially designed for penetration testing, ethical hacking, and security research. It's developed and maintained by Offensive Security and comes preloaded with hundreds of powerful security tools for tasks like vulnerability assessment, digital forensics, and network scanning. Some key highlights of Kali Linux is it is open source and free to use. And it is maintained by highly skilled security community and pre-installed with over 600 penetration testing and security tools. And besides, it is regularly updated to include the latest exploits and security features. So, why do cybersecurity professionals and ethical hackers prefer Kali Linux? Well, here are a few reasons. First of all, pre-install security tools. It saves times by including popular tools like Nmap, Metasploit, Barsuit, Wireshark, John the Reaper, and many more. And secondly, it is customizable. You can modify and tailor Kali Linux to suit your needs. And a third point is stealth and anonymity. Kali Linux offers features like Kali Undercover mode and built-in anonymizing tools that help you to become anonymous in internet. And fourth is lightweight and portable. It can run on low-end hardware or even boot as a live system from a USB drive. And finally, strong communities and support. Being a widely used OS in the cybersecurity world, you will find tons of resources, tutorials, and forums to help troubleshoot issues. Okay. All right. Now let's move on how you can install Kali Linux on your system. There are multiple ways to do this, but we'll cover the most common methods. So let's get started here. Bro, you have two ways. So we will cover the two ways in this video. So the first way is download ISO file and install it just like you install on your hardware. And second way is download the OVA file and then install it on your VMware Workstation Pro. So see the first way, and that is we have to go Kali Linux download place. Sorry, download page. Kali Linux download. Okay, get Kali. We have to visit this place and we will download these two files, installer image, and this is an ISO file and we will install it like you install Windows on your computer, burn it on a USB drive and then install it. Just this file is like that ISO file. So download it here from here. I have already downloaded it, so I'm not going to download it anymore. And second file is that is virtual machine, and this file is especially built for virtual machines. So if you install this file, then you don't have to do any other configuration, just install it and plug and play. Okay, so let's see. Let's go to our virtual machine. Okay, so for OVA file, uh, we have to first open a virtual machine and then okay, before that we have to extract the file. I am showing you OS. Okay, here is my files that I have downloaded before. So if you download from there, from here, this file, it will like Kali Linux VMware AMD 7Z file. So after that, you have to extract it from here 7Z file. Before that, you have to install the 7Z application, 7Z zip application on your computer, and after then you can extract this. I have already extracted this from here. This is the folder after extracting this file. So let's go to our VMware. This is my VMware Workstation Pro, and then first open a virtual machine, and then click on the folder, and then open it. Okay, sorry, this file will be installed. Okay, open, and then boom, your virtual machine is installed. Just plug and play, power on, and everything will be uh, installed automatically on your virtual machine. So, okay, keep aside all of this, and now let's try to install the ISO file. So for installing ISO file, we have to go this option, create a new virtual machine. So I am clicking on this, and typically recommended next. Okay, in installer this image, we have to install our downloaded image file in this section. So where we have downloaded it, let's find out. This folder. This is our ISO file. So click on this and open. Okay, then next. Then this is Kali Linux. Okay, you can click on this Linux button, and versions are Kali, other Linux 5.x kernel 64-bit. And then next, and give this a name. I'm giving this Kali Linux. Okay, and besides, I'm trying to install this OS on my another drive. It will default, it will install by default on C drive, but I want to install it another folder, because I don't want my C drive will fulfill by this OS. So I'm changing the path. Okay, software. Yes, you make a new folder and rename this Kali Linux. Software Kali Linux. It will be helpful for you to install this Kali Linux in some other folder, because somehow if the install quest will be crashed, and easily you will remove it. You can remove it, then install it again. Okay, the next 20 GB hard disk will be enough, but I am giving, as I have many storage, so I am giving 40 GB, and then store as uh, I am installed this as a beginner, so I am selecting the option store virtually as a single files. Then so we will modify something here, customize hardware, and we will increase the RAM size. Basically, I want to give 4 GB, so I can select it from here or give it from here. So 4 GB is enough. 2 GB is enough, but for a smooth and better performance, I am recommending you to select at least 4 GB. If you can give more space, then it will be better also. Okay. Processor, if you have enough processor, you can increase the processor limits. So this isn't a big deal. So then everything as it is, then close the option and then finish. And our virtual machine has been created. Now let's pop on this virtual machine and install the Kali Linux on my virtual machine. Here we see our previously installed OVA file has already been installed. So default Kali Linux username and password is Kali, and password also Kali, and login. Okay. So here is our Kali Linux OS, and this is an OVA file, and OVA file means this is a ready file for VMware, and let's shut down it. Is it OVA file? Am I right or not? This uh, virtual disk.
The language of the language road there. The electric language with all the whole language for the involved system. Language one. Speak those location two.
Sorry, I don't need the installing process like this. So I'm powering off and then powering on it again. No, this is in my selected Linux host. I can power off and then power on this virtual machine and select graphical install. It will be better graphical install. Graphical install. Okay, after that, select the language. I am selecting English and then select your location. I am selecting United Kingdom and then configure the keyboard. I am selecting a common keyboard like US, keyboard layout, American Hindi. Okay, then continue. And this will detect my hardware and being set up for the environment. Getting set up, retrieving every file from the disk image. Load installer components from disk file. Detect network hardware. Basically, the whole process is uh, happening on my hardware. That's why it's performing so slow. If you can use a SSD for a virtual machine, then it will be much faster than me. Host name, okay, I am keeping the host name as it is. Domain name, I am giving it a name test. The domain name will be in small letter. Continue. Full name, I'm giving any name like STUDE and the student. Then continue. Username, okay, username is student would be right. Then password. I'm giving the password admin, sorry, admin. And you can use any password. You are just creating password here, so you can use anything here. So like show clear text password, show clear text password. By the way, I am requesting you to ignore my English language as I still am learning. So I'm requesting you to wish me luck and support me and excuse my English language. So it is now partitioning the disk. As a beginner, you don't have to create any partition. Just guide it here. Just select a guided use entire disk. Continue. And then select this partition. You can continue here. And as I am installing it as a beginner, so I'm not selecting any other partition or any other uh, directory. So I'm selecting the option all files in one partition. Here they mentioned that recommended for new users. So continue and then finish partitioning and write changes to disk. Yes, continue. And then we have to select yes and then continue. And now it is installing the base system and behind it will extract and install all the files from the ISO image disk file and it will automatically install after this process. Most probably we have to select the GUI environment like graphical user interface. So wait for this and then I will fast forward the whole process. Okay, genome is best choice. Usually use genome, so I've selected this and continue. Okay, this will take some time. I'm first forwarding whole process. This is our interface. So the name was, remember the name we have created, like student name, and the password was admin. I have already forwarded this. What was the name and password? And this is our Kali Linux. After installation Kali Linux, you should run some commands like, okay, I'm showing you this. First, we give the sudo permission, sudo su. The password will be admin. Okay, and then edit the source file. Process this, and we will remove this command, and then Control X. Yes. Okay. After this, we should run commands, and these are apt get update and upgrade. First, apt get update. Apt get update means you are updating your Play Store. Apt get update means, and then we will run apt get upgrade. Update means you are upgrading your every tools. And here it is showing us that many more tools should be updated. So if we give yes command, then it will start the upgrading process. So here is our installation process. And there you have it. Kali Linux is an extremely powerful OS used by cybersecurity professionals and ethical hackers worldwide. Whether you are just getting started in ethical hacking or an experienced pen tester, Kali Linux is an essential tool to have in your arsenal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future security tutorials or cybersecurity tutorials videos. Also, let me know in the comments what's your favorite tool in Kali Linux and what the topic you want to know about ethical hacking. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Stay safe, stay secure. Thank you.